Join me on another mini vlog from my time in the Philippines. This was the Naga City Carnival, which is usually run each year from August until September, around the time of the Peña Francia festival, which is a very big religious event in the Philippines, specifically in the Naga area in Bicol, when people travel from around the country to visit Naga for this event. My visit to this carnival was actually from the previous year, so these are old recordings, but are still worth sharing. So as you probably saw, the first ride I went on was a swinging boat, before then going on this Ferris wheel, which in comparison was a lot calmer, giving good views of the city. The carnival itself doesn't have an entrance fee, you just buy tickets for each individual ride. This one being a lot quicker than it looked on camera. It was then time for the horror train. I found it more funny than anything, seeing these dressed up people. The problem being though, is they seemed more scared of me, so avoided my carriage. I think because I was the only white person there. I then had a go at trying to pop some balloons with darts. If you get 6 in a row, you win a teddy. I didn't score all my shots, but did win these. We saved the best ride till last, known as the Frisbee. It was almost a bit too much for me. I still enjoyed it though, along with the other rides from this carnival. So next time it's on, make sure you give it a visit.